Hi, this is Ken Blumberg with Making Probate Easy and Real Broker. I've been trying to reach you for a little while because I know you're going through the probate process and you're getting ready to inherit a home. And I know when you go through that process, you have a lot of questions and a lot of concerns. So first and foremost, I want to say my condolences to you and your family if you had lost somebody that was close to you. And hopefully you're getting the love and support from your friends and family that you may need right now. But that being said, I do help people with all things probate, and I wanted to send you this quick video and, among other things, show you my inbox. Recently, I helped a client sell her property. This property needed a lot of work. The client had a target price in mind. We listed the property. Within 5 days, we had about 13 to 14 offers. Here's my inbox right now, so you can see all those offers came flooding in. We ultimately sold the property for about $55,000 more than what the client was asking for. So as you can imagine, she was ecstatic with the price that we ended up with. So if you think it takes a lot of time to get multiple offers, it really doesn't. We can do this very, very quickly. And this is regardless whether the property is in bad condition or good condition. I can generate multiple offers. I have hundreds of cash buyers in my database, among other things that I can help you with. I do help with all things probate, so I can help you clean out the properties by introducing you to my estate planning teams. I can assist you with selling cars from the property, motorcycles, jewelry, tools, anything at the property I can help you get rid of or sold. I also buy land and businesses. I can help you get a cash advance if you're struggling to make your payments on the home while you're waiting for the probate court. We install cameras and have security patrols. I can help you change locks at the property and much, much more. Feel free to reach out to me, send me an email or send me a text, and I can send you a full list of the services that we offer. And I would also recommend you go to my Zillow profile under Ken Blumberg and take a look at my reviews. You'll see I have hundreds of 5-star reviews on Zillow. I think we're at 230 plus right now. So hopefully seeing my inbox and knowing that you can get offers very quickly and that I can help you be your one-stop shop probate solution for all things probate real estate related. I hope that sets your mind at ease. I will look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks so much for watching. This is Ken Blumberg with Making Probate Easy and Real Broker, giving you the help you need when you need it. Thank you, and I'll look forward to hearing from you soon.